guys, it's Bill Obsidian, and today I'm back with a new project. It's called Kalpana AI. That is the name of our project, Kalpana AI. This is basically an AI agent that runs on your computer. It runs within a Docker container, so everything it does is like locked within that container. Yeah, we have a custom image that is built specifically for this that you just build and use. So basically, you can connect your Notion, you can connect your Google Drive, you you can also give it access to your MCP servers. It also has access to MCP if you just do slash MCP. You can see that it's loaded up all the MCP tools. You can also view links like let me give it analyze this link, like the content of this link. We are using Vercel's AI SDK. That thing is genuinely amazing, honestly. I love the way they structure the tools, like the way they structure it like this. Very, very nice. So as you can see, ReadWiki is using the MCP servers to do all this. You can see there. You're using. See, I love the way they structure the tools. How I can use Zod and everything. So that's what we are using for tools. This is the basic setup, basically. So yeah, but we're waiting for this to happen. Okay, so as you can see, it's done. It has looked through everything and it's gotten the content. Now you can see, let's um if my Notion account is connected, let's let's make a note of the summary of this what's it called, repo. So now it's going to use the Notion tools to actually check stuff exactly. Notion account is linked already. All the, like, this is the tool definition for the model, and this is where all the actual tools happen. So docs, this uses context 7. You can edit files, use that and edit sub agent, execute functions inside. This for file system stuff. Another thing I forgot to mention, you can access images, videos, audio files, PDFs using Google Gemini. So Google Gemini will basically summarize it and then send it off to the model that oh this was there. We're using Hyper Browser for the agent stuff. Hmm. So it's created the page, zoom, but it's not added the content. Okay, let's add content to the page. Social account is linked and ready. Okay, so it's going to refer to do all that. What is taking so? Okay, so creating Notion page. Okay, so it failed to create Notion page. Create Notion page. Created Notion page. So if I go back to journal and I reload, I should see two Notion pages. Yep, we have a second one. Initial content, so it doesn't have anything for now. So it's trying to add blocks. The issue with Notion for me is that Notion is a very hard API for the model to kind of go through. I don't really know why, because I don't know who made Notion's API, but it's kind of hard for like the model to go through. If you give a model Notion's MCP server, it wouldn't even work at all. So that's why I just had to actually implement Notion directly. So I think you should figure out how to do it because it kind of like plaster the error here. So the model should be able to figure out the problem and send it over. So we'll see. But it created the two files, which is good. Yep, it worked. Let's go. I said you figure it out. Let's go. He did it. He did it. He did it. Let's fucking go from initial. Now look at it. Yeah? Thank you very much. Now let's use Google Drive. Let's also add an analysis is in Google Drive. In Google Drive. Just a plain text file. I have to check if my Google Drive is linked. Checking Google Drive. Google Drive is linked. One 30 blocks. Yep, that worked as well. So if we go to Drive, summary, that worked as very beautiful. Yep, it worked as well. Now we've seen the basic text file. So you can see it's really good at doing its thing. Now let's ask it to, what else can I ask it to do? Okay, look in the workspace and let's look for a video. So now it's going to actually interact with the container to get the file in the container. Let me just explain something I forgot to say. This .sandbox here is where it's all inside. As I was saying, this .sandbox here is where all the files that the model can access is inside. So this is basically linked with the container. So whatever you put here, the model will be able to access it. So as you can see, it found the video. Now you can analyze it. Analyze the video. So now it's going to use the Google Gemini tool, I think. Yep, it's working. It takes quite a while, so we're going to be here and just wait. How many minutes is this? 7 minutes, not bad. Well, let me just explain how it works while it's working. So we're going to head over to Tools, Gemini, and we're going to say Analyze Image. Analyze. Let's go to Analyze Image. So first we upload it to what's it called? Okay, no, this for image. Let's go to video. First we upload the file to the Google Files API. When we upload the file, we give the file ID to the model. Where is it? Yep. We give the file ID to the model. Then once you give the file ID to the model, once you are done, we delete the file. Okay, still doing it. We delete the file and then we send the data. Why are we sending the uploaded URL? But it's deleted though. But the point is, we give this thing over to the server, back to the AI agent, sorry, so that you can actually know what to do. Now it's done. It's looked into the video file. You can see everything is there, and then it's giving it back to us. Single male speaker, no background or music, just narrations synced to slide, and that is correct with the actual context of the video. Okay, look for a Next.js application. Running I'm not quite sure what it's doing. What command is it running and why is it running the command? mpx, is that not create? Wait, I'm coming. Let's head over here. No OTP. Root. Workspace. What's he trying to do? My next shop. Why is he doing this? I don't know. But it looks to be trying to initialize a new Next.js application. Okay, I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so it's done running the command. As you can see here, it's done running the command. I need to check the sandbox too for something. My next shop, is that done? Seems so. The server is not running though. Running though. We'll see if you can figure it out. Go to the my Next.js app and run it. Next. So that's off. So that's install. That's weird. We'll, we'll see if you can figure it out. Deleted. Is it planning to reinstall? I'm not too sure what it's doing, but at this point I already proved what deleting the folder too. Okay, I've already proved most of what the model can do. It's kind of limited by its own intelligence at this point, so you kind of have to guide it to do this and that. But yeah, it can use MCP servers, it can analyze content, and do that, this and that.